Welcome to our tutorial on how to work with Onteon and applications. Onteon is a software stack to orchestrate, scale, communicate and manage modern and legacy applications in an efficient and effortless way. No matter if it's containerized or non-containerized. It runs on-premise, in the cloud and in hybrid environments. You can learn more from our official documentation on onteon.com/docs, where you also find a quick start section.
Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to install Onteon's cluster. We will need a few machines and a working authentication provider. I will use Vagrant to create a few virtual machines on my local machine with clean CentOS 8 running. I also have already running Keycloak instance, which is an authentication provider. As a first step, you need to download installation packages from our website onteon.com. To do so, go to download page and choose proper files to download. Installation packages are quite big because they contain everything needed for Onteon, including dependencies like Java or Docker installation packages. Thanks to that, you don't need an internet connection from the machines where you are installing Onteon. Next step is to copy installation packages to the machines. If you want to add monitoring to your Onteon environment, you can use your own solution or install Scenario tool. I have machine named Scenario, to which I have access over SSH. I copied the files using scp command, but you can download it directly to your machine if you want. Now we need to unpack the files and run sudo install. Sudo is required for some tasks like creating Onteon user or creating directories in opt directory. Also remember to pass proper parameters. The script will install and set up everything. Now we will install Onteon Control Center. Again, installation is simple as copying downloaded file into machine. In my case it is named Onteon CC. Then unpack files and run sudo install with proper parameters. When everything is up and running, you can log in with Onteon CLI tool and check that API is working. The last component is of course Node Manager. It is installed on the nodes that are holding your applications. You can think of them as worker nodes. Copy downloaded files to the nodes. In my case, they are node 1 and node 2. Again, run sudo install with proper parameters. And wait for the installation to be done. Node managers will automatically register to Control Center and will be visible from the Kibana or Onteon CLI tool.